such a long queue waiting for E-Invoice? Is your employee facing issues with the issuance of E-Invoice? SQL EBI POS system is here to automate your E-Invoice process. Use our POS system to submit E-Invoice and consolidated E-Invoices to LHDN with no hassle. POS system plays an important role for your business in the E-Invoice era. It helps to keep your customer information on record, automate the submission of E-Invoice as well as the update of E-Invoice status. How to issue E-Invoice in EBI POS system. If customer requires E-Invoice, you can select Request E-Invoice in the system once complete a transaction. Customer can scan the QR code in receipt and fill in their personal information to submit the E-Invoice request. With this, our POS system will auto-detect the invoice number and submit E-Invoice to LHDN for validation. Upon validation, system will auto-send the E-Invoice to customer's email. Merchants can then check the status of E-Invoice in the POS system. For all normal receipts, merchants have to submit them into consolidated E-Invoice within 7 calendar days after the end of the month. With SQL EBI POS system, you can combine all these documents into a single consolidated E-Invoice and submit to LHDN for validation. You can now say goodbye to long lines and checkout delays. Upgrade to our SQL EBI POS system with automated E-Invoice submission.